Hi everyone, so today we are making juice. If you know this fruit is called soursop. In Luganda we call it ishtaferi. So I'm making juice of ishtaferi or soursop. That's how we call it in English. And also here I have some plenty of pineapples. I'm not making them juice, I'm just peeling them and I store them in the freezer. I don't want them to stay outside so that they will get spoiled. So come along guys and watch how I do my juice or how I restore my pineapple when they are quite a lot. I don't make juice at once. So I make sure I peel them. My knife is not so sharp. By the way, this soursop is always good for cancer treatment, good for the bones, good for brain. It treats a lot of sicknesses or a lot of diseases. That's all I learned from the Stafel. Like if you, it is not just the fruits that it works, even the leaves. Normally, like you can also boil it if you have a problem like with the bone issues, you have a problem with cough or flu, it also works as a medicine, guys. So I don't just do soursop or juice or soursop because I want to drink the juice, but it does something also in our lives. So continue watching, guys. So because I'm doing one at a time and I'm packing them, not this is the first one. I pack them in this paper bag. This is the first one, guys, which I'm done with. Time to make juice. I just pick this and pour it in a blender. So this is our last pineapple we are doing, which we are peeling. The last one, and we stock them in paper bag. So we are done. My hands. I still have some more fruits to show you guys. So this is the pineapple. When I do this, I put it in the freezer. Let me bring more. Here I have a passion fruit or passion fruits. Because there are so many, I don't normally also store them like this. They get spoiled so easily, so I also make sure I cut, remove the seeds inside, and I restore the seeds inside in the refrigerator, so that when I want to make juice, it is even easier for me. Whether you are late or you have gone somewhere and you're late, instead of you coming back, you are rushing, you are panicking, just go to the refrigerator, pick one, run in the blender and make juice for guys. So keep watching, guys. So guys, here is our passion fruits. Last but not least, and this is the one we have made so far. It's quite a lot. So when you have a lot of passion, this is the best way to store your passion, guys. Because when you leave it out, they will definitely rot, and you wouldn't want that. So we are almost done. One last one to go. This is the last passion. This is a passion. I'm going to restore them in this papers also. And also, guys, I forgot to show you, this is our banana. which we went and harvest in our garden. We have our cucumber, we have our avocados. You can see this is also from our shamba or our garden. A passion. You see how I store it. I do store it using this. Make juice. You can see my passions are here. I'm also going to put it here with the pineapples, and if I take them in the fridge. Guys, our soursop is here, which is already been blended. You can see it is like cream. So this blender is so good, doesn't crush the seed. It will only blend, but it will not crush the seeds. So you see, it's so white. I'm going to mix. Guys, this is our juice. It's a lot. I put some also inside here. So this is where I'm putting the one for drinking later in the evening or for dinner time. And also the one I will serve later, I'm putting it in this jug. Hope you are able to see me or to see the juice. Here we are. So guys, this is our juice for today. As you can see, kitchen is a little messy, but never mind. This is our juices. This is our passion fruits that we were making. This is our pineapples. Kindly like my video, share, leave a comment, and if you have not watched my other video, I request you to go watch them. I do home cooking. My name is Afro. So this is what I made today for the evening. The juices, soursop. I mix it with some little mango juice that I had to take away that white color. And also this is the pineapple. I just want to say thank you guys for watching, loving and sharing. God bless you. Have a good evening.